Okay, let's talk about reproducible research, or why it's often not so reproducible.
Right? It's that classic problem. Your work breaks the second you try to share it or use a different computer.
So the real problem is everything's out of sync. Your code, your data, your software, it's just constant friction. The old way, you're just rebuilding everything everywhere, from your laptop to the cloud, and just hoping it works. So Nuvolos is introducing something new, Lab as a Service. What if you never had to rebuild that environment again? It's basically one computational environment that just runs the same, on your laptop, in the cloud, everywhere. And here's the key. It versions everything together, the code, the data, the whole setup, all as one piece. You can really see the difference here. Instead of constantly rebuilding, it just runs, consistently, every single time. Okay, so who is this actually for? Well, let's kick things off with academia. For teaching, this is huge. Every student gets the exact same environment. No more setup headaches, it's stable for years. And what about research computing teams? Well, they can standardize environments without ripping out what they already have. For R&D, this is a game changer. You can go from a laptop prototype to a full-scale HPC run instantly. This even helps journal editors. It means research is actually verifiable, and the results can be trusted long-term. But how does this actually fit in with the systems you're already using?
Good news, it's not a replacement, it just layers right on top of your existing clusters and cloud accounts.
Another big question, what about my special licensed software like MATLAB?
Yep, it supports bring your own license, so you can plug in your existing licenses, no problem.
So really, the big idea here is getting to true, long-term computational reproducibility. For real this time. Which leaves you with one final thought. What could you achieve if your environment was never the problem again?